Kyle, what's up, man?
Hey, afternoon. How's it going, man?
Yeah, look at this guy. He's got his shirt on and everything.
Oh,
How are you, man?
good, good. Not too
Hey,
bad.
today's all about you, man. So congrats.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
you having a good day so far?
Yeah, not too bad. Yeah,
Nice. Yeah, I didn't know it was an hour difference, man.
yeah. I forgot about that.
Yeah, yeah, that's funny. But um, so just like briefly, I just want to go over about like the experience and stuff, obviously. So everyone that sees this knows that it's legit. And how was everything so far? Were you pretty ecstatic when you got the call?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Yeah, awesome, awesome.
At first, I didn't know if it was real, but
Yeah, yeah. No, that's cool, man. So what do you do for work?
so I work at a train terminal and offload propane from train cars.
Oh, no kidding. That's
Yep.
cool. Yeah, I saw that. See the cameras behind. That's pretty awesome, man. Yeah, that's cool. All right. So we'll try not to make this too long, but obviously it'll be as long as you need. We'll start with the lift kit. That's going to be the biggest thing. So AEV, that's something you said you liked.
Yep. Yep. I
Okay.
was looking at that one. I haven't done much shopping for lift kits yet.
Hmm.
I just bought the Jeep about like 30 days ago. So
Oh, really?
yeah. So it's
What
perfect
what
timing.
what year is it?
It's a 2018 JL Rubicon.
Okay. That's sick, man. Oh yeah. So the AEV stuff, honestly, like we install tons of lift kits and like I've only had a handful of these kits in. So I'm kind of going to be learning with you on this one. But I did do a little bit of research like when you sent me the text. Um, and it seemed like it was a pretty straightforward kit. So can
Yep,
you see my screen here?
yep, I got it.
Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do, you can still see me, correct?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna create like for our shop, our service center, we use ShopMonkey. So ShopMonkey is basically like we add all our parts and labor and all that stuff. I'm not obviously there's no labor in this, no tax, nothing. But like that way we can keep a track of the parts and then the costs associated so that we have an idea once we get to our spend limit, which is
Uh,
5 grand. Um, but we'll start here. I mean, I went through and I kind of, so in your text, you said 3 inch kit,
yep.
but from what I'm seeing, it was a 3.5 to 4.5. Is this the
Yeah.
one you're referring to, or is there a different one?
So my Wrangler is considered a JL.
Yeah, the JL. Yeah.
That one looks like it's for a JK.
Okay. Yeah, so that was probably the reason why I didn't see the 3 inch.
And in 2018, they had both the JL and JK. So
Yeah. So let's do, probably go this way, it'd be easier. There's a certain variation too, right? If I
yeah,
remember, you said
I
this
think
one,
it's the one on the top left there.
the RT. Is
Yeah. Yep.
that the one that comes with the straps too?
I
Like the
don't
limit
think
straps?
so.
Looks like it's fully configurable, which is pretty sick. Do you know it's a four door, two door?
Yep. Four door.
Four door. All right. Obviously left-hand drive, right?
Yep.
All right. What do you got for motor?
At the 3.6.
3.6. It's a good option. You hear about all the horror stories with the new diesel stuff?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's crazy.
Yeah.
All right. So coil springs, what do you want to do for that?
So I was looking at the high capacity one.
Okay.
My plan is to turn the Jeep into like an overlander.
Yeah, all right. So that would be smart. Weigh it down and stuff. You always do like timberings and stuff in the back if you needed to, but I think the high capacity would probably do exactly what you need. Um, this is the only thing that's scary here.
Yeah,
Let
yeah.
me see.
I mean, I found like some other places that have it in stock.
Okay,
Um,
do you know who?
yeah, I've got to open extremeterrain.com.
Extreme Terrain?
Yep,
Let's try that one.
I believe they have it in stock. Oh no, never mind. It says out of stock now.
Really?
Yep.
What about
Maybe
Quadratech? Do you check Quadratech?
I have not. No.
Let me try them real quick. That's the one thing, man. Like this time after COVID, it was pretty bad getting any parts, and then it started to seem like it evened out, and then this last like year and a half, it's just been crazy with these parts, man.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
I think I think that company though in particular is they're build to order for the most part. But let me see if I can get something here. So yeah, I'm in JL right now. So QuadrTech has the dual sport high capacity lift kit. That's it right here, right?
I think so.
All right, so it's probably gonna ask us to configure it. That's why. It says it's in stock, man.
Looks like it's got in there.
Yeah. So
Good.
that's AV, that's the part number. Probably wouldn't hurt to cross reference it, but it looks like it's the same stuff, right? Rear coils, the front coils, shocks, sway links, brackets. The other one looked like it had a drag link though, no?
I don't remember. I think the original one had like just like a different relocation bracket or something like that.
Yeah, you want me to go back and just make sure? Yeah, because I mean, it says it's in stock, which is good, but it's got to be the right stuff. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So I'll do this one more time. Be nice if they said the part number somewhere. Oh, might have to go by the picture. That looks pretty similar, right? That's a standard capacity. I think it's,
I think the high capacity has like blue coil springs.
does it?
Uh, so
All right, well, what we could do, I want to make sure you get the right stuff. You know what I mean? Okay, there you go. Here, yeah. So yeah, you're right. High capacity has the blue springs. They might have, I mean, just from like, so it does say high capacity lift kit with Pro
yeah,
Code.
they might just reuse the same picture.
Yeah, exactly. Just from like, so we have a drop shipping store too, and sometimes like our IT stuff, like it doesn't cross. You know what I mean? So I understand that for sure. Well, let's just run with this, right? So I'll just copy this here. So that kit's 1696.91. So we'll do custom lift kit, wheel, hit tire off here. 1696. Not worrying about the change on that. All right, so that should round up that, right? For the lift kit, you happy with that?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah,
And worst case scenario, like if we do call this in, it's out of stock, then I could always, we could redo this and I can call you again and we'll find another one.
yeah, sounds
There's
good.
there's tons of kits. I mean, what's actually now that you're bringing this up, what's nice about this one, dude, is it has those coil springs that are high capacity. So when you're overloading the top of it, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Um, but yeah, all right. So that's good here. I'm move that over. So for the wheel and tire stuff, this isn't sponsored in any way, but I just wanted to do it on here
Okay.
because it'll be a little bit easier across the board. So I get everything mounted and balanced and sent to you rather than sending 8 packages. You know what I mean? It's just a risk of something happening.
Yeah. Okay.
Um, so we'll do this here. So we'll start with the wheels because I know the wheels are going to be the biggest thing. Do you have an idea what you liked? I know you said 17, right?
Yeah. So I was looking at 17 by nines, I think, and I was looking for like a bronze wheel.
Okay, 17 by 9 bronze. So let's do
We'll
that.
have to have a little bit of offset for the wider
Yeah,
tire.
so I think 17 by 9 is probably going to be like a dash 12, so -12 offset. if I remember. I think some of them might be a little bit different. Do you know exactly what you want?
I think uh, that's probably all right.
So you want all bronze, dude?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
That was the original plan.
What's the pull pattern on that? 5 by 5.5?
5 by 5, I believe.
5 by 5? Are
Five
you
by
sure?
127.
Okay, so 5 by 5?
Yep.
Okay. 5. All right, so these are all 17.9, 5 by 5, and bronze. Do you look at any manufacturers yet?
Yeah, so I had some that I pulled up just off like kind of like my quick search,
Yep.
like Rock Tricks wheels. I mean, I don't know if Custom Offset has.
Rockstrix? Yeah, I heard of them. They should. Rockstrix. No, I don't see them here. Let's go right on their website then. All right. What was that part number? You got it, you said?
Yeah, RT116.
T116. This here? You probably can figure it in bronze, I assume.
Yeah,
That it
so
right there?
that's the one I was looking at.
That's badass, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a dash 12 offset. So like 4.5 backspacing. That should be fine for a Jeep. Um, while we're on this, for the tire, you want to run a 13.5 wide?
I was probably gonna do like 12 and a half.
12.5. All right. I would stick with that with a 9 wide rim. Um, there's gonna be bulge on there, but you know what I mean? I don't think this is a true bead lock, is it?
No, no,
It isn't?
I don't believe so.
Yeah, so simulated bead lock. So like I would stick to a 12.5 wide for sure.
Okay,
Just to be on the safe side, especially if you're gonna do off-road. Some guys just they do this and they go to the mall parking lot.
right.
But if you're actually if you're actually doing it, I'm laughing because that's what we did when we gave away that Jeep. Um, for rims and tires, you looking to do 5?
I mean, I guess it depends on if
The
we come up
pricing?
to 5,000. Yeah,
Yeah, because well, the full size spare.
yeah.
So 186. Do that there.
I'll be fine buying the fifth one if I need to.
Yeah, that's cool. Should be good the way it's looking right now. I mean, tires are pretty expensive, but should be good. For tire, what are you thinking?
So I was thinking of the Falcon Wild Peaks.
Yeah,
And,
those are nasty, dude.
um,
Honestly, so whenever we get guys that come into the shop for lifts, it's either the Nitto or the Falcon or Fury. Fury's another good one too, but Falcon's a really nice tire. You do the mud, obviously, right?
what's that?
You want to do the mud terrain?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Just gonna go on here and see what they got. 'Cause I know they do have them. These guys here.
Um, I think that was a little different than what I was looking at, but yeah,
What
because
are
I
they?
think the one I was looking at was like AT4W. I guess it's not the mud terrain. I think
Okay, yeah, the AT4s is like a hybrid all-terrain. Yeah.
it's like all terrain
Yep.
or
So let me go back. I'll change it real quick. So that's the one you wanted, AT4s. This
train.
here?
Yes, yep.
Awesome. So that yeah, 37, 12, 50, 17. That's a low E, so that's fine for a G. Um
I mean, so the Jeep's going to be still my daily driver, so I don't know about going with a full mud terrain, you know?
yeah, no, absolutely. I mean that's the other thing too, is like when guys come in, they think with a lift, it's like, oh, I need to do a mud tire. It's like it's kind of that's how it was in the old school days, man. Like everyone, you gotta put like a big beefy mud terrain tire on there. It's like they're noisy and they don't perform well,
Right.
you know. But yeah, sweet. All right, so let's do this. Not that. Not that. Not that. That's what's nice about doing this on my computer. So we'll just type it in. 7, 1250, 17. All right, so those are 488 a pop. I think we'll still be clear, man.
So
Yeah, let me try this. Do 5.
I put it over.
Might be short. You're $100, $200 short. So
Yeah,
I mean, I mean, I could always get this order in, you know what I mean? That way we can get the 5 and just send you 5 each, and then I don't know, we can figure it out the remaining, you know.
yeah,
It's totally up to you if you want to go that route.
yeah. That sounds like
Um, the only other thing is lug nuts. I know that's not part of like this stuff, but at least I'll mention it to you. Do you have lug nuts, or do you know what you want? Or
no, not yet. I know like
okay.
Blacktrix has some that they say will work great for that application, but I don't know too much about it. So
Yeah, I mean they're all easy accessible. You know what I mean? Everyone has them.
it's a good idea.
But all right, hold on a second. I gotta take this off here. That's automated for our oil and stuff. So you're only $66 more than that work for you?
Yeah, not bad.
All right, so we'll recap here, right? So 3-inch dual sport RT high capacity lift kit. That's the one that we configured here. Hopefully it has the blue springs. So if I call them and this isn't in stock, then obviously we'll be back in touch, and then
Okay.
we'll figure out another option. But usually Quadratech's pretty good. Like we drop ship some stuff through them. Um, Unlike other competitors, they actually stick pretty good to their inventory. So we'll do that. I got 5 of those bronze. Let me make sure I put bronze here. Okay, so we got 5 of those bronze, 8 spoke wheels, and then we got the Falcon Wild Peak. We'll do 5 of those as well. Um, the only other thing I was just thinking of, we were originally going to go through custom offsets, but I don't think custom offsets has that Rock Tricks rim.
Okay.
So are you fine with the boxes coming in like that?
Yeah, that's all right with me.
Okay, so you have to mount them yourself. That's what I was trying to just at least save you some time. So yeah, man, that wraps it up. So what I'll do, you're cool with all this stuff here?
Yeah, looks good to me.
Okay. Do you have any questions? You want to change anything?
No, I should be good.
Okay. All right, so I'll process this stuff, and then I'll obviously be in touch with you through text, and then I don't know, the $66 is on us, man. It's all good. Thank you for supporting us. It's always we did the whole supply co thing to give back, you know what I mean, to all our customers and things like that. So it's nice to be able to do this stuff, you know what I mean, and give back. So yeah, you're all good with that. The only thing I request is just when the stuff comes in, just take a picture and send it to us. All right, man. But yeah, thanks again, once again, dude. And then we'll get the stuff ordered up, and then I'll be in touch with you. I'll send you all the track information.
Oh,
I'll go
oh,
from there.
awesome. Appreciate it.
All right, Kyle. Take care, man. Have a blessed day. All right.
Too. Thanks.
All right. Bye bye.